Hi, it's Liam, and this is my 6-month on T and 3-month post-op video. So as you can see, I'm kind of sick, which has made my voice drop a little bit more than it normally is. But nonetheless, this is me today. It's exactly 6 months, and I'm not sure how I caught that on the day, but I was just looking at the date and I realized, and I was like, oh man, I really need to make a video. So I haven't showered or anything today, but I just wanted to make this video because I've been slacking a little bit. As you can see, my chest is healing up really good. My scars are getting pretty thin. There's parts like right here and over on this side where it's starting to like turn back into normal skin. Well, it's not, like the scar tissue is starting to like fade. They're really thin. My nipples get nice and hard. I don't know if you can tell. And I'm pretty flat. It's all, good in the hood. But yeah, I've been feeling really good. It's really nice to just not have to worry about my chest anymore. It's not like vulnerable or anything yet. I'm still a little bit numb in here. Like I can feel it, but it's not full sensation. And I can feel my nipples, they're not full sensation. They get hard, they get soft, whatever. I can feel fine all the way underneath and everything on the sides. And my scars have the same sensation that it does right here. But the area that is kind of numb is getting smaller, like it used to be like all of it, and I can feel almost totally up here now, and so it's getting better, which is good. I just heard a trash truck, and I just remember that I forgot to take the trash out again, and that's like the third week in a row we've forgotten to take the trash out. Oops. Guess it's going out next week. But yeah, everything's going really good, except for my acne, which is pretty awful, and this is better than it's been, and it's bad. It's on my, my back and stuff, too, but, yeah, it's pretty awful. I'm going to my doctor again next week to get my stuff checked, my levels checked and everything, and, I think, we talked about getting on some kind of acne medication, so I think we're going to try that this time around. I did change my dose last time, and I'm on 0.7 now instead of a full cc, and that didn't really have much effect on my acne. It did at first, but then it just came back, and so, yeah, I can't deal with this. So, all my name change stuff is pretty much done. I published it in the newspaper. I think the first day it was published was today, and in like a week or so I'm gonna get the affidavit, and then all my name change stuff is officially done. I just contacted my surgeon about seeing if I could get a letter that says I had gender confirming surgery, and just kind of to leave it vague so that I can use it to change my gender with Social Security and with my passport, and possibly on my birth certificate if that's what it needs to be. And then I also called my doctor, and I'm seeing if he'll write my just regular gender letter that I can use for my license. So whichever letter I get first is the document I'll change first, because I don't think it truly matters on those two. And then, everything will be done, and I will get all my stuff changed at school and at my bank and through insurance, and have a big long list. But yeah, I guess I will get through it, and then I'm gonna be so excited that it's all done. I haven't really noticed a lot of changes because, a lot of this stuff is basically done. I haven't really noticed much of anything. I have facial hair and I have to shave, but it's not that dark or that thick, really. I don't know, my hair is about the same it was 2 months ago. Not a whole lot has really changed that I've noticed, except my voice has dropped a little bit, and then it's also deeper right now because I'm sick, but it has dropped more and I can feel that. I'm still not really passing in public, which confuses me because I feel like I present and look and talk and feel male, but I don't get that reaction from people most of the time. At school, my name is changed on my display stuff, so everyone knows me as Liam, and people who did not know me before, who didn't know me like freshman year, I'm getting he's from them, which I wasn't getting last spring quarter when I was just starting T. I wasn't getting that from anyone. So it was weird. I think it happened for the first time yesterday in class. Because people usually just use my name when they're talking about me, like, oh, Liam said, or like, oh, on Liam's stuff. And this girl was talking about my photography, because we were having a critique, and she was like, oh yeah, well, I don't think he needs to do this. And for first, I thought she was talking about, like, guy she was debating with, and I was like, what? And then I realized that she was talking about me, and it was just weird, because getting he isn't, like, a weird thing when I'm at home, but it is in public because I'm just not used to it yet, because it doesn't happen. So that was really cool. I was excited to hear that. And I'm still not getting he's and sirs and stuff in public, but I am getting a lot less gendered remarks. I'm not getting ma'am at the end of anything, I'm just not getting anything. You know what I mean? It's like, have a good day, where I would usually get ma'am. I mean, I get a couple here and there, but it's not as prevalent as it was. I feel like Val right now, I'm just leaning over. But yeah, so, I don't know what the deal is, but it doesn't bother me like it used to. And I think it used to bother me so much because I was like, oh my god, it's because they can see my chest, it's because of my voice, whatever. And now I feel my voice, and I can hear my voice, and I can see my chest and feel my chest. And I know that I'm me, and I don't need other people's validation so much anymore. I know before it would like really, really get to me sometimes. And now I'm just kind of like, oh, well, whatever. I don't, whatever. So it's okay. I'm not in a place where I was before it, so it doesn't seem to really bother me so much anymore. But yeah, so I guess this is my 6-month video, and I talked a lot, but I hope that you wanted to hear some of it. Anyway, I will try to make another video soon. Maybe when I get all my name change stuff, and I'll go through what I did with that if anyone's interested, what that's like in New York State. But yeah, so I'll see you later.